Okay, this is part 2 of the video, and this is the finished product right here. Y'all have to excuse me. Yes, I am in my jammies. Oh well. But um this is the finished product. The nails. And while I'm at it, I want to show you a small haul that I got in. This came from Enel Couture. I got the Dappin Dish. Beautiful. I'm thinking about ordering another one. I'm pretty sure I'm going to order another one. Put one for powder and one for liquid. I ordered the brush, the nail brush. Yes, this is the brush that I got from them. Beautiful. Size 10. The only thing that I hate is that you cannot put the top on the cap on the back of it, but we can work around that. And so I also got the monomer. There it is. All right. So that's all for that. Sorry I had to do this video in 2 parts, but I got to where I my daylight ran out on me and I had to finish up. I had to cut the video off and I had some more work I had to do. So I hope you enjoy the nails. Hope you enjoy the video and you'll see me in my next one. All right, guys. Bye-bye.